Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, Renee 630, a track titled Sometime Love Dies, has debuted on the iTunes charts, viewers and subscribers, top 20. When we talk about the numbers, some people feel like we are just talking about streams and views. No, that is just one aspect of doing the numbers. We are also referring to platforms like this, the iTunes charts, which tracks are where tracks are purchased, rather. Yes, and the tracker do extremely well, top 20. Definitely a good look, about to go into the top 10 as we speak. Definitely a good look. Renee 630 has made the venture into music, definitely known as an entertainer already, but now she make the venture. We see her on the stage a number of times, and if I want thing, she already have stage performance luck, because she was a dancehall dancer, so she have that luck. So right now, vocals, tracks, she sound good on the track. One thing with Vybz Kartel, any artist at all, male or female, once there's a feature from the teacher, we can consider say a reach. We can consider say you have just received the cosign needed, the stamp of approval for dancehall pay more attention to you and your craft. And right now, them are pay attention to Renee 630. Definitely, out of all our friends, the only one for venture into music. You know what I mean? I can't see the ambition. Glad to say the song I do extremely well. You know what I mean? Portmore girl, Waterford girl at that. You know what I mean? Say you know the something go. Gaza Nation, you know how the something go. For those who don't know that, yeah, Renee was raised in Waterford. You know what I mean? And our family still resides there as well. You don't know the teacher connection with food already. So that within itself is definitely a good look. From Sika Rhymes to Gaza to Stand, Renee 630. You name the names. Even you name the names, viewers and subscribers. The list is extensive. We're not gonna say the list long. Why? The list is extensive. So whole heap of names can be added to that list. Whole heap of names to be mentioned. But Vybz Kartel left in an artist way. Not just start the talk. He definitely make the walk. Help out artists from his hometown community. Some people say, yo, we want to do it. Some people have expressed the fact say, yo, them that like to do it. Very few artists have actually done this. So I have a big up Vybz Kartel if I even in for that aspect of the music. That's when we talk about artists and we talk about contributions to the music. Remember, Bounty said one of his biggest contributions was to bring Vybz Kartel to prominence. And one thing, Bounty top the charts too. Having gold plaque, try to mention that. Vybz Kartel known for making the hits, not just writing them, recording them, and also producing them, but also handpicking artists and writing songs for them and putting them out there as well. Right now, Popcorn, Family Sparta, just to name a few. Even Spice wasn't directly inspired to start the music by Vybz Kartel, but she was inspired to further her craft by Vybz Kartel. That track, The Ramping Shop, definitely brought her on the Billboard charts. She had never seen her name on a Billboard charts prior to that. And now, for Renee 630, definitely a big accomplishment. Should be something celebrated by her and her camp at this point in time. Excited, and we didn't expect nothing less. Is a feature from the teacher. Where you did think. And the song continues to do well. And we can say it's in a matter of hours. That's what we talk about. As I'm say, doing the numbers. Some people feel like say, when a song jump out and it's trending, yes, that is a good accomplishment. For a song trending. But is it being purchased? That's something else to be factored in. Because there are lots of songs that we used to trend, but they have not received any plaque of accreditation saying them do the numbers. Them not sell no goal. Them not selling nothing. Yes, the song sells something. Somebody purchased it somewhere, I would assume, but not enough for it to register. One thing with Vybz Kartel and his music, even without a music video, because currently, I don't know if you know this war going on. Songs that are trending right now are actually songs with videos. People, they woman, them want to be entertained. They already have the songs downloaded or purchased, so them cannot play the teacher song them right through the day. Now I mean, some people are watch some people music video right now while teacher song are playing in the foreground, not the background, the foreground. You know what I mean? So I just saw something go. So not because Ray, but people want to be entertained, so the visuals. But even without music videos, Vybz Kartel are one of the only artists will continue to top the charts without dropping the visuals. And when him do drop a visual for a track, that's something you have to look upon. What do you Ramesh with a track? Tikiana. Simple. Happy Feet out there, just a dance. And as simple as you see it, just the song and Happy Feet, a dance to it, was captivating enough. That's how the something go. Vybz Kartel is definitely that artist, viewers and subscribers. But we can say yes, it's there to elevate the dancehall genre. They need to free the boss right now. And if you agree, talk to me in the comment section and let me know. FWB, I'm supposed to have to explain what that mean. Free world boss like right now. Talk to me in the comment section. The song I do extremely well. If you doubted that, well, I guess now you have to reconsider. I'm gonna say why you doubt that. As I'm gonna say, we'll talk about dancehall. Dancehall, the backbone of dancehall is of course the females. The ladies play an essential role in a dancehall music. I would have said, in my opinion, I would like to see even more female artists being brought to prominence. You know what I mean? But for two dancehall dancers who have decided to make the venture into music, Vybz Kartel is playing an instrumental role in their career. Danny Boo and of course Renee 630. They have already been recording tracks. They have been spotted in studio recording tracks. You know what I mean? Some of the pictures them are them take themselves and post them. But you know there's something go. Spotted in studio recording tracks. But forget a feature from the teacher. It's definitely that cosign in any music or any genre of music. When they can have the dominant artist give you a feature spot on a track from him or her, but for in dancehall case, him, then you know say you have arrived. And dancehall and stakeholders of dancehall have to pay attention to you and notice say, yo, yes, you have arrived. Because with a feature like that, and with a debut on the iTunes charts at the placement wait forward, then talk man, what more left for you say? All I can do is acknowledge the accomplishments and celebrate dancehall music. Definitely a good look to see that dancehall music is still being purchased strongly. You know what I mean? Support is still being shown for the dancehall culture despite what take place right now. Definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what's your favorite line from the track. Let me know you feel like Renee 630 handled herself on a feature with the teacher. You know what I mean? If it was a performance and she was a dancer on stage with him in a choreographed performance, of course you know so when they've not, well, there would be no critique needed. Cause you know mama go to work, she's not afraid. With the music, you know what I mean? It's a new venture for her. Let me know what you feel, how she handled herself. What was her cadence like? Do you feel like say it matched the rhythm? You know what I mean? As in my own opinion, she did a great job. But not go around it. She hold her own. You know what I mean? And for some reason, I guess me already privileged to know sir she was the featured artist. But my listener other song, and when I hear this, yeah, I could identify say she. I'm hear her voice in her songs before. I think she have about 5 songs to her name now. To her credit. I think she have about 5 to 6 songs to her credit right now, including this track. So definitely a good look. I'm serious about the music. She focus on what she wants, she move towards it. She not just try music because somebody tell her say, yo, say that for my song. No, she actually say, yo, a music she pursue. And it's a good look. You know what I mean? Extremely excited. But no, say, yo, Waterford girl, I forward out another Portmore artist. I'll forward to prominence. Definitely a good look. Back to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And that is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. The like icon is for me like page of a like on the vlog. The share icon is also there as well. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. You know the something got the comment section is always open 24/7. It never lack yet, no matter when you see the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know the settings, and for those who don't, move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.